Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A12 versus the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And guys, and the Samsung Galaxy A21s give you a Samsung Exynos 850 chipset with a 4GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A12 give you a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset with a 4GB of RAM as well. On the back we get a quad cameras on both these two devices, as you can see. So I am really excited to see that how much difference between these two devices. And guys, and both phones is costing around about the same, I would say. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. And now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And the logo, it is a little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A12 as compared to the A21s. And both phones is running on Android 10, and also we have a One UI 2.5 update on both phones. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A12, it is looks more faster as compared to the A21s, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A12 more faster. And guys, you can see that, and both phones give you a very similar display. We have a 720p TFT display on both these two devices, but we have a water drop notch on the Samsung Galaxy A12 as compared to a punch hole on the left hand side on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, which looks much better as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A12. And guys, you can see that everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And also we have a same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer. Here we go, and that is little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s as compared to the A12. So next on the list is the settings, and that is again much faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. So now let's see YouTube on both phones launching at the same time, and that is about the same on both phones, no difference there. And both phones give you a 60Hz refresh rate display. And now let's see Amazon shopping. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A21 it is looks little bit more faster as compared to the A12. Let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. And now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. We have a MediaTek Helio P35, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A12, it is much faster there as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A21s. So next on the list is the Subway Surfer. Let's see this time who is faster there. Here we go. And you can see both phones looks about the same, and Samsung Galaxy A12 it looks little bit more faster, and now it is little bit more faster. And you can see at the end Samsung Galaxy A21s it is faster there. And now let's see the pinout, and that is about the same on both phones, no difference there. And now let's see Temper and 2 on both phones, and you can see that at Samsung Galaxy A21s it is little bit more faster, and you can see it is more faster than the Samsung Galaxy A12 in the Temper and 2 application. A21s it is completely done, and now the Samsung Galaxy A12 it is also done. So now let's opening up the Twitter, and that is more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A12 as compared to the A21s. Instagram more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A12 as you can see. Spotify, and that is about the same on both phones as you can see. And now let's see Snapchat, and that is more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A12 again. Zedge, and you can see that. And the Samsung Galaxy A12 it is looks little bit more faster as compared to the A21s. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. In the scrolling wise, both phones is performed really smooth, no lag whatsoever. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, here we go, and that is more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Okay guys, now let's see the internet browsing speed. I'm using the default Samsung internet browser on both these two devices. We have wikipedia.org first website and Samsung Galaxy A12, which is a little bit more faster if I'm not wrong. Let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. And next on the list is the apple.com, and looks like A12 little bit more faster. Yes, it is little bit more faster as compared to the A21s. Now let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones. You can see no lag whatsoever. And guys, now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and we have a 4 GB of RAM on both these two devices, and also we have a One UI 2.5 update on both these two devices. Now let's see phone dialer, and that got refresh on the A12. Let's see settings, and that is refresh YouTube, and that got refresh on the A21s. Amazon shopping, and that got refresh again on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And let's see Candy Crush Saga, refresh. Subway Surfer, refresh again on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Let's see Pinout, and that got refresh on the A12. Let's see Temper Undo, refresh on the A21s. And now let's check out the Twitter, and that is not refresh on both phones. Instagram, that is not refresh, it is an in-app refresh I believe. Spotify, and that got refresh on both phones. Let's see Snapchat, that is refresh again on both phones. Zedge, that is only refresh on the A21s. Last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say, and the app's opening speed, it is little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A12 in system-based application as well as in game uploading time. And also, and the RAM management is really bad on both these two devices. I hope the RAM management will fix with some software updates in the future. And guys, also I like the display quality on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, because we get a punch hole as compared to a water drop notch. And also, and the camera layout looks more beautiful on the A21s as compared to the A12. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.